DJI Mavic Air Quadcopter with remote control. Capture resolution FHD 1080p and weight 15.2 ounces. Video capture format MP4 MOV H264 MPEG 4 AVC 32 megapixel sphere panoramas, in addition to horizontal, vertical, and 180 degrees panoramas. Mavic Air stitches 25 photos together in just 8 seconds to create crystal clear 32 megapixel sphere panoramas. Lightweight and compact foldable design. You can take it anywhere with you. Supports 4K video at 30 fps. The 12 megapixel camera with Adobe DNG RAW support is ready to shoot. The 3-axis gimbal is capable of stabilizing the camera even during high-speed motion for smooth video and sharp photos. Control your drone from up to 65-62 away. The Mavic Air Intelligent Flight lithium battery provides up to 21 minutes of flight time per charge. Dedicated remote controller features a foldable, low-profile, ergonomic design to hold your smartphone for maximum convenience. The detachable control sticks store inside the remote controller to pack more comfortably on the go. Fly by phone, set up tracking to shoot a friend, or head skywards for a quick flight using your smartphone instead of controller. Share with your friends, shoot an incredible scene, and edit it with just a few taps in the DJI Go editor, and share it instantly for everyone to see. Safe flight. Its 5 vision sensors, GPS and GLONASS, a pair of ultrasonic rangefinders, redundant sensors, and a group of 24 powerful specialized computers make sure that your drone is flying safely. Smart Capture. Fun, simple, and intuitive, Smart Capture offers a new and interactive way of controlling the Mavic Air by hand. Launch and control the drone with hand gestures, then take photos or videos however you like. Included: DJI Mavic Air Quadcopter with remote controller, intelligent flight battery, charger and power cable, 4 pairs of propellers, propeller guards, set, RC cable, lightning connector, RC cable, standard micro USB connector, RC cable, USB Type-C connector, gimbal protector and spare control sticks, pair, communication cable, USB 3.0 Type-C, USB adapter, 2 RC cable slider, large, and 2 RC cable slider, small, carry it. DJI Mavic Mini Drone FlyCam Quadcopter UAV with 2.7K camera, 3-axis gimbal, GPS, 30-min flight time, less than 0.55 pounds. The compact yet powerful Mavic Mini camera drone is the perfect creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Weighing less than 0.55 pounds, 250 grams, Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone. In the United States and Canada, you can fly this camera drone without the need to register your drone with the government. Mavic Mini supports 12 MP aerial photos and 2.7K HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear, ultra-smooth footage. Mavic Mini's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer flycams on the market. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. Fly app requires iOS v10.0, Android v6.0 or above. SIMREX X20 GPS Drone with 4K HD camera, 2-axis self-stabilizing gimbal, 5G Wi-Fi FPV video, RC Quadcopter auto return home with follow me altitude hold, headless brushless motor, remote control, ultra-long flying time. Capacity of the battery is up to 3000 mAh, which provides about 30 minutes ultra-long flight time. And it can reach up to 500 meters control distance, giving you a more extensive flight experience. 4K HD 108 degrees FOV adjustable FPV camera captures high-quality video and aerial photos for the memorable moments. See the world through the eyes of a bird on your phone. Headless mode. Orientation of the drone is in relation to the operation. When eyes can't identify the orientation of the drone, the headless mode can help to control easier and avoid from losing the direction. Drone with GPS location and auto return assisted flight provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. When your drone is runaway or in low power, the drone can auto return. Never worrying about losing the drone. Easy to fly. With functions like one key takeoff land return, altitude hold mode, headless mode, and high-low speed switch and trajectory flight. Best choice with enough fun for beginners. Price $213. DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo Drone Quadcopter UAV with 48MP camera, 4K video, 8K hyperlapse, a half CMOS sensor, 3-axis gimbal, 34-min flight time, active track 3.0, OcuSync 2.0. Up your game. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits, because aerial photography has never been this easy. Next level content capture, impressive 48MP photos with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K 60fps video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor. OcuSync 2.0 has a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 m 10 km, and can also deliver 1080p FHD resolution livestream directly from the drone's camera. Improved flight and impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Intelligent tracking. Mavic Air 2 features intuitive shooting functions that make aerial photography easier than ever. Spotlight 2.0 keeps the camera locked on a subject while you fly freely. Active Track 3.0 keeps subject centered. POI 3.0 tracks moving subjects like people and vehicles. App compatibility. The DJI Fly app requires iOS v10.0, Android v6.0, or above. Compatible device is what you get: Mavic Air 2 aircraft, remote controller, 3x intelligent flight battery, 6x low noise propellers. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom Drone Quadcopter UAV with optical zoom camera, 3-axis gimbal, 4K video, 12MP, a 1/2.3 CMOS sensor, up to 48 miles per hour, powered by a 1/2.3-inch 12MP sensor with up to 4x zoom, including a 2x optical zoom, 24-48mm. For the Mavic 2 Zoom camera drone is all about dynamic perspectives. Up to 31 minutes flight time, 44 miles per hour max speed, 905 g takeoff weight, 3-axis gimbal for steady shots, 8 GB internal storage, South Dakota card support, up to 128 functions include active track 2.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, hyperlapse, low noise design, adjustable aperture, HDR photos, dolly zoom. Standard remote controller offers up to 135 minutes of battery life on a full charge. Use with the DJI Go 4 app on your smartphone. What you get: DJI Mavic 2 Zoom, intelligent flight battery, gimbal protector, remote controller, 3x propellers, pair, battery charger, power cable, communication cable, USB 3.0 Type-C, USB adapter, spare control sticks, pair, RC cable, lightning connector, RC cable, standard micro USB connector, RC cable, USB Type-C connector. DJI Go 4 app requires iOS 10.0.2, Android 5.0 or above. Compatible devices.